Hola, el día de hoy vengo a mostrarles una herramienta muy chévere que encontré de inteligencia artificial. Se llama Cerebras. Es parecido a ChatGPT, sin embargo tiene un nivel de inferencia mucho mayor, lo que da pie a tener conversaciones mucho más fluidas y extensas, aparte de que tiene una memoria más amplia y puede mantener el contexto de la conversación mucho más tiempo, ¿cierto? Esta es la interfaz, es muy simple. Lo encontré por este video. Cuando quieran pueden ir a verlo.
Is this the future?
I think we're already living in the future, to some extent. Conversational AI, voice interfaces, and natural language processing are all becoming increasingly common.
Mi objetivo con el vídeo
Es muy completo, explican más a fondo. Y en esta ocasión voy a probarlo y mostrarles lo que se puede hacer. Un detalle es que no es capaz de entender muy bien el español. Cuando se le habla en español directamente no entiende. Puede hablar en español, como lo vamos a ver, pero es muy regular. El fuerte es el inglés. Tal vez en un futuro, con más entrenamiento, pueda llegar a tener el mismo nivel que en inglés. Bueno, por ahora empecemos. Hi,
How can I assist you?
I am Felipe and I'm doing a demonstration of your capabilities.
So you're testing out my voice capabilities, Felipe. Nice to meet you. What kind of scenarios are you looking to simulate with our conversation?
For now, can you speak in Spanish?
Claro. Of course. Ahora puedo responder en español. ¿Qué necesitas saber o qué te gustaría hablar? Now I can respond in Spanish. What do you need to know or would you like to talk about?
What is my name?
Tu nombre es Felipe.
Okay, let's continue the conversation in English.
¿Quieres que continúe generando? I'll switch back to English. So, Felipe, how's the demo going so far? Is there a specific topic or feature you'd like to test out?
I would like
Great.
to do some demonstrations about your capabilities with my friends.
That sounds like a great...
Yeah, continue.
I'd be happy to help you show off my capabilities. What kind of demonstrations were you thinking of? Maybe we can simulate a customer service chat, or play a game, or even have a voice-controlled conversation in a role-playing scenario. Let me know what you have in mind.
I would like to practice English with you. The idea is to have, in case I commit errors, you can correct me and teach me how to say it.
English practice sounds like a great idea. I'd be happy to help you practice and improve your English skills. Don't worry about making mistakes. That's what I'm here for, to help you learn. Just try to have a natural conversation with me, like you would with a friend. What topic would you like to talk about to get started? Your interests, hobbies, movies, books, something like that?
Thank you. I would like to talk about traveling through Colombia.
Colombia is a beautiful country, rich in culture and natural beauty. Have you traveled to Colombia before, or is it on your bucket list? What part of the country are you most interested in visiting? The coffee region, the cities like Bogota or Medellin, the Caribbean coast, or maybe the Amazon rainforest?
Well, actually, I live in Colombia. I lived in Quindío, and I've been traveling that section, that part.
You're a local. Quindío is a beautiful department, known for its coffee plantations and stunning natural scenery. Have you visited the Coqui National Park, or the coffee fincas in towns like Salento?
Sure, for sure.
I think there might be. That's a start. When talking about positive affirmations, as you did with for sure, it's common to say of course or definitely in English. For sure is a bit more colloquial, but it gets the point across too. So, tell me more about your experiences traveling around Quindío. What was your favorite part about exploring the department?
I love doing hiking and exploring the nature. There are a lot of parts where I can visit to go to rivers and visit natural parks.
It sounds like you really enjoy the outdoors. When I hear visit to go, I think you're trying to say visit to go to, which is a bit redundant. Instead, you might say visit with the intention of going to, or just go to is fine. So, you like hiking and exploring Colombia's natural parks. That's great. Did you have a favorite river or natural park that you particularly enjoyed visiting in Quindío?
Yeah, I love going to Cocora Valley That's beautiful and special for me.
I think I recognize the names, but I might be misunderstanding. From what I know, there's a town called Salento in Quindío, and near it, there's a natural park called the Cocora Valley, or also known as Valle de Cocora. And in that valley, there are wax palm trees that are very special. I'm guessing that might be what you're referring to.
Exactly.
I'm
Uh,
glad we were able to.
Give me another examples of what I can do with you.
You're getting the hang of this. Okay, so you want to know more about what you can do with me? Well, I can
Yes.
help you with language. Well, one thing you can do is play language games like Hangman. I can think of a word and you can try to guess it by suggesting letters. If you're wrong, I'll draw a part of the hangman's gallows. And if you're right, I'll fill in the correct letters. We can play this game in English to help you practice your vocabulary. Another thing you can do is have a conversation in a different style. For example, you can pretend to be a customer and I'll be a customer service agent, or you can be a travel agent and I'll be a client. This can help you practice your communication skills in a more realistic way. You can also ask me to summarize what we've discussed so far, or to explain a complex topic in simpler terms. I can also provide you with grammar and vocabulary feedback in real time, which can help you improve your language skills faster.
I
What
get
do you
an
think?
idea of trying to play the role of you're a project manager and I am a software developer, where you are going to ask me how is going on my work. Remember to correct me in case I am doing
Let's get into character.
errors.
I like that idea. Let's get started. Imagine we're in a virtual office and I'm your project manager. I'll send you an email to start our conversation. Here's the email. Hello, developer's name. Hope you're doing well. Can you
My
please
name
provide me
is
with an
Felipe.
Nice to be working with you, Felipe. Let's get down to business. I need to know how your work on the LiveKit project is going. Can you update me on your current status?
Okay, well, I'm doing well. I'm fixing some bugs that I've encountering, but in general, everything is going well. In any
It sounds
case, I can ask for help.
so. Everything is going smoothly, except for some bugs that you're still working on. That's good to hear that you're feeling comfortable asking for help when you need it. One small correction I'd like to make is on your phrase, I'm fixing some bugs. You can just say I'm fixing some bugs without repeating the I'm. This is a common grammatical construction in English. Also, I'd like to ask for a bit more detail about the bugs you're working on. Can you tell me what kind of bugs are they and how you're planning to fix them?
Well, those bugs are related with the UI. There is
So, the bugs. It sounds like you're saying the bugs are related to the user interface, UI. I'd like to help you refine your phrase. Instead of saying no, you might want to say not yet, or I'm still investigating to give a sense of progress or resolution. Also, I think there's a small typo there. Bulk bugs should be bulk bugs.
okay. I am still investigating to
Great
resolve
update.
that bug.
It would be more idiomatic English to say resolve this bug or fix this issue. Also, as your project manager, I'd like to give you a minor task to work on in parallel with the bug fixes. Can you verify that the automated tests are running correctly for the updated LiveKit code?
Sure, I can do that.
I think I see a small missed opportunity for improvement. Instead of saying I can do that, it's more idiomatic English to say I'll take care of it or I'll make sure that's done. This shows a bit more commitment and confidence in getting the task done. But overall, great attitude. Now,
Sure,
let's
I
focus
will
on
take care of that.
your English is improving swiftly. Now, I'm curious. Have you noticed any areas of improvement in the code where we've been working? Any suggestions or recommendations for future development?
Let's end this role play.
It was a great exercise in conversational English and role play. I think you did a great job as Felipe, and I had fun being your project manager. I'm glad we could practice and improve your English skills in a fun and interactive way. If you want to do it again sometime or try something different, just let me know. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. No puedo entender español.
I noticed you started to say something, but it got cut off. You might say something like, it was a lot of fun, or I appreciate it to complete
Can
the
you
thought.
speak in Spanish?
Go claro. Of course. Me alegro poder hablar en español contigo. I'm happy to speak with you in Spanish. ¿Quieres seguir hablando o terminamos aquí? Do you want to keep talking or do we stop here?
Yeah, let's continue talking in Spanish.
¿Qué diría? Great. Esto es divertido. ¿Qué piensas sobre lo que aprendimos a hacer conmigo en inglés? What do you think about what we learned to do in English? ¿Te gustó practicar conmigo? Did you like practicing with me?
Yeah, a lot. I've been learning a lot
Me-
with you.
Me alegra saber eso. I'm glad to hear that. Eres un estudiante excelente, Felipe. You're an
Gracias.
excellent student.
Gracias, gracias. Y ya con eso terminamos de demostrar una de las tantas funcionalidades que podría tener esta inteligencia artificial. Me alegra haberles compartido esto y no es más por hoy. Gracias.